Hello everyone. In this video we will cover current affair of 1st of August. So let's start. Niti Aayog Atal Innovation Mission along with which foundation launch an incubator capability enhancement program named AIM iCrest. So the answer is Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation and Vardhani Foundation. So answer will be both 1 and 2. Name the institute which in collaboration with TransUnion CIBIL launched financial knowledge platform named MSME Saksham for MSME. So MSME Saksham in the collaboration with TransUnion CIBIL was launched by Small Industries Development Bank of India, that is SIDBI. Which company partnered with Craft Silicon to innovate, accelerate the digital loan repayment solution? So Craft Solution is a software, is a financial software provider company. So the answer is PayU. Name the bank which launched a campaign named Kona Kona Umeed. So this scheme is launched by Kotak Mahindra Bank. The mpay.me is a personalized UPI payment link launched by which company? So mpay.me is launched by MobiKwik. Find the company which along with Japanese energy major GERA signed loan pact with banks for new power generation project in Bangladesh. So the company name is Reliance Power. Hamid Bakayoko. Hamid Bakayoko has been appointed as the Prime Minister of which country? So Hamid Bakayoko appointed as the Prime Minister of Ivory Coast. Who has been appointed as the additional and independent director of Great Eastern Shipping Company Limited? So independent director of Great Eastern Shipping Company Limited has been appointed S. Jaishankar, no. So he is Arjit Patel. The answer is Arjit Patel. Arjit Patel has been appointed as the additional and independent director of Great Eastern Shipping Company Limited. Varun Sridhar has been appointed as the new CEO of Paytm Money recently. Varun Sridhar has been appointed as the new CEO of Paytm Money recently. Where is the headquarters of Paytm Money located? So the headquarters of Paytm Money is at Bangalore. Which department organized National Digital Conference on Easing Doing Business for Atmanirbhar Bharat along with collaboration of Indian Industry CII? Event inaugurated by Union Minister Piyush Goyal. So it was organized by Department of Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade. Union Environment Minister Prakash Javadekar represented India in 6th BRICS Environment Ministers meeting hosted by which country? So it was hosted by Russia. What is the name of National Aeronautics and Space Administration's Mars rover which was launched recently to seek signs of ancient life? So the NASA's Mars rover name is Perseverance. Kazi Onik, who in news recently is associated with which sport? So Kazi Onik was in news because of he failed the dope test. He belongs to cricket and he is a player of Bangladesh. Sonam Sherin Lepcha, who passed away in July 2020, is renowned folk musician. Lee Teng Hui, जिनको मिस्टर डेमोक्रेसी के नाम से जाना जाता था, who is in news recently is the former president of which country? So Lee Teng Hui is former president of Taiwan. Actor Anil Murali was passed away recently, belong to which state? So actor Anil Murali belongs to Kerala. When was World Ranger Day observed annually? So World Ranger Day observed annually on July 31. International Thermonuclear Experimental Reactor ITER, the world's largest fusion reactor, is located in which country? So the world's largest fusion reactor is located at France. Located in France. Where is the headquarters of Commonwealth Human Rights Initiative CHRI located? So the Commonwealth Human Rights Initiative located at New Delhi. Which country will take over the presidency of BRICS in 2021? So the presidency of BRICS will be taken over by India. Right now Russia is holding the presidency of BRICS. Who is the current CEO of Niti Aayog? So the current CEO of Niti Aayog is Amitabh Kant. Who is the author of the book Overdraft Saving the Indian Saver? So the book Overdraft Saving the Indian Saver is written by Urjit Patel. So that's it for this video. In next video we will cover current affair of 2nd of August.